Hi everyone, it's Laura, the Quarantine Gadener, and here I am just showing you my mother's garden kind of at this stage of early summer. So again, you can see the lavender here coming into flower. Gorgeous fragrance after the heat of the day. And then you've got here salvia hot lips. So I'm just going to show you plants that are looking good in case you're looking for inspiration. Salvia hot lips, beautiful red, nice one to fill in the medium kind of section of a border. And of course I see tons of weeding that I need to get to, so thank you, because makes me realise how much I need to get to. And just to say, weeding is one of those tasks that pretty thankless, people get bored with it, absolutely essential. So just saying it to you folks, it really is key to things looking good. And you know, for me, maintenance is just critical for gardening. So you can see foxglove have gone a bit top heavy into Galways there, so I'll have to stake that. Again, the double campion, stunning, and that's been in flower since April and still going. And when I deadhead it, and by deadhead it I mean it cut it right back to the base there. You see if that's a flowered stem, when that goes over or withers, for want of a better word, if I cut right back there to the base, to the rosette, that'll put up another show probably late July, August. So that's just a tip for keeping your flowers going. Again, the roses could do with a bit of deadheading. Got some gorgeous rich red, ruby red antirrhinums in at the back there. More lovely weeds for me to pick at. And here we have Feverfew, which again coming into flower, so lovely in its own right with that gorgeous upright habit, and then masses of daisy-like flowers. And I'm just going to take a munch of the leaf, which is a migraine preventative and curative, and of course only do consult a medical herbalist if you suffer from migraines. There's that bitter taste, but loads of research showing how effective it is. So yeah, that's a great one to have for a couple of reasons in your border. Then we've got the geum, the yellow geum, beautiful flowers, and yeah, great pollinator too. Bumblebees love it, and they also love the veronica behind here, which is those lovely spire-like bluey purple flowers, and so they're a nice combination together. And then of course the stunner in this bed is actually the low edge of campanula that runs the whole length of the bed. And as I've said, campanula can be hit and miss in terms of transplanting, but gee, wow, if you get it to take. I mean, I've tried loads of other stuff at the front of the border, and at this stage I'm just kind of saying, you know what, I'm just going to leave it, because the campanula is doing what I wanted everything else to do. And yes, it's taken over, but how stunning is that, and a great foil for everything else in the bed. Again, we have a red geum in behind that campion there, again, beauty. Okay, and of course you can see a lovely leaf of bindweed there, so a bit of digging to get done later. At the back we've got fellowship rose, which is stunning, a deep orange in bud and first bloom, and then opening to kind of apricot-y colour. So beautiful. And then we have the lovely Japanese maple there, which is really coming into its own in the last few years, and underneath it the golden fuchsia, so nice combination there. So hope that provides you some inspiration. So get weeding, get deadheading, keep the show going, both of those really important tasks to keep at through the season. It just prolongs the season, and you know, it's that little and often, if you can, really helps to keep on top of things. Okay everybody, happy gardening. I'll finish that beautiful loop in there.